Today at Beth's Keto Kitchen, I'm showing you how to make bacon and cheese chaffle paffles. These are perfect to use as buns for your juicy smash burgers. So stay with me and let's get cooking. Start with a tablespoon of melted butter and add a heaping tablespoon of crushed pork rinds, then a pinch of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of onion powder. We'll add in about a tablespoon of shredded mozzarella and another tablespoon of bacon bits, and a tablespoon of heavy cream, and 1 egg. Stir that up and then divide your mixture evenly amongst 2 mini waffle makers. Now we'll cook these for 3 to 4 minutes, making the perfect buns. So for our smash burger, I'm adding some smoked Gouda cheese. Let that melt and start layering. Doesn't that look delicious? Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and share for more. Have a great night.